Hi friends, Sam here. In this video I am taking one question. Sam, I want to set up all my system. I am solopreneur, so I get this question from trainers, coaches, freelancer and other business owner. I want to set up my system, but I'm not getting any direction that how I can set up my system. And another thing is that before I start money, I have to invest lot of money in that. I do have zero investment solution for you. Okay, so I will give you the system. My system name is MyBizAuto. I will give you the account for that. Then in this system, what you can have landing page, you can have website, you can have LMS, learning management system, you can upload your courses and all, you can have community, you can have WhatsApp automation, unofficial as well as official WhatsApp. You can have email marketing. Okay, you name the feature, and there are so many features as well. You have lead management in this system, so whenever lead is joining to your business, then the whole journey of lead can be managed in this particular system. My system name is MyBizAuto, as I specified. And another thing is that what I have done, I launched 21 days challenge to set up this particular system, right from your landing page, your website, your WhatsApp automation, your email automation, everything. I launched 21 days. Okay, and the schedule of you can start that 21 days challenge anytime, whenever you are comfortable. So whenever you are starting that, from that day 1, day 2, day 3, all that communication will get started, and it's a 21 days committed challenge. Remember guys, if you commit yourself, then only in these 21 days you will able to set up the complete system. Complete stack will be ready, and you will be ready to conduct your webinar, after this. But you need to be committed for this 21 days challenge. Main thing is that I'm not charging any money for that. You do not have to spend any money on system. You don't have to buy the landing page software, you don't have to buy the CRM software, you don't have to buy the WhatsApp related software, you don't have to buy the email marketing software, nothing. Do not buy anything. Only I need your 21 days commitment. And in these 21 days, I will tell you that how you can bring 100 leads to your system. I'm talking about the webinar funnel. So I will teach you that how you can bring 100 leads to your system in these 21 days. Okay, and till you have 100 leads, suppose you cannot really bring that 100 leads in 21 days, no problem. Till you have 100 leads in your system, I'm not going to charge anything, because if you don't earn money, then why I will charge for my system? Even I will take that cost on my head, and this offer is limited. I call this as 100 leads offer, so this offer is limited. And check with my team. I'm giving my team's WhatsApp number over here. Check with them whether this offer is really available right now, or that whether that 21 days challenge you will get, but whether 100 leads offer you have available or not, you can check with my team by pinging them. Okay, so they will ask you some question once you ping them about your niche and about your business and about your stage of the business and everything, and accordingly they will suggest the solution. Okay, but give me your 21 days and your system will be completely ready. And main thing is that I continuously educate you to use all my systems and subscriptions. Okay, so I give like Zoom webinar subscription as well, Pabbly subscription as well, and many other app subscription as well. So whenever you get into any subscription, including this MyBizAuto 21 days challenge, you will get educated from my side free of cost. I don't charge for that. I don't want to charge to educate you. I don't want to charge to help you really. Just for app subscription and services, even that 100 leads offer, you don't have to pay anything till you have 100 leads in the system. So go for it. What you are thinking for, go for it and start your 21 days from today. So my team's WhatsApp number is there. Ping them and we are always there to help you. Thank you. All the best. Happy automation, happy system setup, and see you in the another video. Bye-bye.